Master the magic of place prepositions in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of place prepositions in English. These are the small but mighty words that help us indicate locations, directions, and spatial relationships. By mastering place prepositions, you'll be able to express yourself more clearly and accurately in English. Place prepositions are words that indicate a location or position. They help us answer the question, where, in a sentence. Some common examples include in, on, at, above, below, between, and behind. For example, the cat is on the mat. The book is in the box. The lamp is between the sofa and the TV. Place prepositions can be further divided into three main categories. 1. Prepositions of position. These indicate where an object is located. Examples include in, on, and at. 2. Prepositions of direction. These show the movement or direction. Examples include into, onto, out of, and towards. 3. Prepositions of time and space. These convey a broader sense of where or when something happens, such as above, below, beyond, and around. Now, let's put our knowledge into practice. Try filling in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions. 1. The bird flew ___ the rainbow. Over. 2. The flowers are ___ the vase. In. 3. Please put the keys ___ the table. On. 4. She lives ___ that hill. Beyond. 5. The store is ___ the cinema and the library. Between. Remember, practice makes perfect. Here are a few tips to help you master place prepositions. Context is crucial. Sometimes, different prepositions can be used in the same situation, but with a slight change in meaning. Watch out for exceptions. English is a language full of exceptions, so don't be surprised if you encounter unusual uses of prepositions. Read and listen. The more you expose yourself to English through reading and listening, the more naturally you'll understand the usage of prepositions. And that's a wrap for our video on place prepositions. Hopefully, you're now more confident in understanding and using these powerful little words. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and you'll see your English skills reach new heights. Until next time, happy learning!